Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone, checking your bank balance, and poof, the money is gone. Again. Payday was, what, 3 days ago? And already you're negotiating with your banking app like it's the final boss in a Dark Souls game? You ask yourself, wait, where did all my money go? Spoiler alert, it wasn't Loki stealing from your account. You weren't hacked. The truth is way simpler and more brutal. You've been paying everyone except the most important person in your life. You. That's right. You paid the rent, the groceries, the subscriptions you forgot you had, that random Amazon order you swear you needed at 2 a.m. But you didn't pay yourself. Not a cent. And here's the kicker. This isn't just bad budgeting. This is financial self-sabotage, hidden under the mask of responsibility. And it's so common. It's practically a feature of adult life. But here's where the millionaires, the real-life money ninjas, do something that looks simple, but changes everything. They pay themselves first. Before they pay the bills, before the world gets a slice of their pie, they take their own cut. It's not selfish. It's a strategy. Think of it as the first move in a chess game, the move that sets the entire board. Let me put it this way. Imagine your paycheck is a cake. Now, normally, you go around serving everyone. Landlord gets a slice, electricity company gets a slice, Spotify gets a slice. Yes, even the family plan you accidentally share with your ex. And by the time you look at the plate, just crumbs. Now imagine instead, the moment the cake arrives, boom, you cut the first slice for you. Maybe 10%, maybe 20%. Doesn't matter. It's yours. You lock it away, ninja style. Hidden scroll. Forbidden technique. Nobody touches it. That's your investment money. Your savings, your future freedom. You're not spending it, you're stacking it. Like coins in a Mario level. Cha-ching. It sounds simple, and it is. But simple doesn't mean easy. Why? Because we're not wired for delayed gratification. We're wired for dopamine. And let's be honest, saving money doesn't exactly trigger fireworks in your brain. But you know what does? That little "thank you for your purchase" email from the online shop. Instant reward, instant regret. The genius of paying yourself first is that it flips the script. It turns saving into the default, not the leftover. It forces you to live on what remains after you've secured your financial future, not before. That's a completely different mindset. It's not budgeting, it's a prioritizing yourself. Like putting your oxygen mask on first before helping others. Or like Goku eating first before saving the planet. Same energy. And no, you don't need to earn 6 figures to start. That's the trap. People think, I'll save when I earn more. But if you can't save $100, you won't magically become a savings master at $10,000. That's like saying you'll start training when you're already strong. The gym doesn't work like that. Neither does money. Let's get practical. Set up an automatic transfer the moment you get paid. Not after rent, not after sushi night, not after those treat-yourself purchases. The moment the money hits, slice goes to you. No emotion, no decision fatigue, just ninja automation. You don't see it, you won't spend it, out of sight, into savings. And here's the twist. Over time, this habit snowballs. At first, it's like planting a seed. Nothing impressive, just dirt and a little hope. But give it time, water it with consistency, and one day, boom, you've got a money tree. Or at least a bush. You're no longer just surviving paycheck to paycheck. You're building something. Security, options, power. Ever notice how rich people seem? Chill? Like, even when the market crashes or the economy hiccups, they're out here doing yoga or buying islands or rescuing turtles or whatever. It's not just because they have money. It's because they built a buffer. They paid themselves first for years. And now they're surfing the waves while everyone else is drowning in bills. Meanwhile, most of us are out here using credit cards like healing potions in a boss fight we weren't prepared for. Just one more charge. I'll be fine. Famous last words. But what if, and hear me out, what if you become that calm, collected person too? Not overnight, not magically, but intentionally. What if every paycheck became a tiny revolution? A vote for your future self? Because the real flex isn't the car or the shoes or the 5-star brunch with gold flakes on eggs. The real flex is not stressing when something breaks. It's knowing you've got reserves. It's looking at opportunities and saying, yeah, I can do that, instead of wish I could. That's what paying yourself first unlocks. Freedom disguised as discipline. And yeah, you'll mess up sometimes. You'll spend too much. You'll skip a transfer. Life will slap you with unexpected expenses, dental emergencies, car repairs, or worse, group vacations. But here's the beauty. The habit remains. The mindset sticks. You can always get back on track. You're not a financial failure. You're just in training. You're a money ninja in progress. So the next time you get paid, before the bills, before the spending, before the world comes knocking, ask yourself, did I pay the most important person first? Because if you didn't, you're not living, you're just performing for everyone else. And you deserve more than the crumbs. Slice the cake. Sharpen the kunai. Pay yourself first. That's how millionaires do it. And if you play your cards right, that's how you'll do it too.